Namaste. In this video, I'll be showcasing how to use Google Classroom. To access the Google Classroom, you need to download the application from Google Store for mobiles and tablets, and for laptops and desktops, you can access through Google Chrome or Firefox. Let's explore through laptop by clicking on the new tab. Just enter classroom.google.com. Press enter. Since I've already joined for 6 classes, it is showing the list. To create a new class, click on this plus icon. There, select create class. Provide the name, section, subject, room. The three are optional. You can enter or you can leave as it is. Then create. So once the class has been created, you will get this type of screen. So here there are few options. Here the class name will appears, stream, classwork, people, grades. This is settings. This is the class code, meet link. These are the main screen. So we'll go for the settings. Click on the settings. Here you can write the class description. This is also optional. Section, room, subject, anything can be written. And below that there are some features. That is general class code, which is already generated, and there is some stream. Stream in the sense here the control uh, for the students. Teachers can control over. Only students can comment here, or only teachers can post the comments, or students can post and comment. See, this is type of control. A student can only comment means only the students can comment over whatever the discussions happens, or only teachers can post and comment means only the teachers have the rights to write anything in the stream. By default, student can post and comment. Since here both the teachers and students have the rights to comment or write anything on the stream. Here classwork on the stream. Classwork on the stream in the sense, suppose if you want to share some file or something, so whether that file has to be mentioned as a detail, or it can be condensed. It can be condensed in the sense only the details of the file name will be shown, or else the entire attachment will be seen over here. So this is also a type of control. And there is one more option known as show deleted items. So by enabling this, only the teachers can view this deleted files. So by accidentally, suppose if students or teachers delete some files, only teachers can access this deleted files. And there is below that there is a meeting link. So by generating this meeting link, it will be directly accessed. Google Meet can be directly accessed from the Google Classroom. So it is visible to the students also. So below that there are some option known as gradings. Gradings in the sense to providing them the marks. There are two types. One is for the total points and one is by the percentage. Total points and weighted by category. Or else below that there is option to create our own grading system. You can provide the name, and the default points can be 50. Like that you can create a category and add it. And then save it. After saving it, we'll come to the main screen. Here, let's come to the people. There are two options. One is teachers and students. You can call or invite teachers by clicking on this plus icon. Enter the teacher's name or email IDs. That you can suppose if the list is too big, you can copy it from a Excel sheet or a Word sheet. The email IDs can be copied and pasted over here. Then just after writing the email IDs, click on this invite button. An invitation will be sent to the teachers. In the same way for the students also. Click on this plus icon, enter the student's name and invite. It can be here also the same way. The student email IDs can be copied and pasted over here in a bulk. So let's come to the main screen. Here there is stream. What the stream? Here the stream is live chat. It means as you can use it, some of you might have used in the Facebook also. Can share something directly over here. Like uh, if you want to present, if you are presenting some history lessons or geography lessons, if you want to showcase some maps, or if you want to showcase some pictures of palaces or king, you can directly share it over here by clicking this add. Here there are four options. One is for a YouTube link and a file link and a Google Drive. Since Google Drive, you can select this any link. Google Drive in the sense for a particular class, the Google Drive will be created. And the same way the link in the sense, suppose if you want to share some different documentation links through the net. So suppose if you want to share some history lessons or history related topics or science related topics, you can directly share this link over here. Or if you want to show some videos, share some videos, you can directly add this Google YouTube link. Or suppose if you want to share some file, by clicking on this you will be accessing your system. So suppose if you want to from my drive, that is from your Google Drive, you can access you can share the files over here by clicking on this file and then add it. You can directly share the documents over here and all the students can be seen. Suppose if you want to select only for a few students, here the list of students will appear. Select who are all the students you want to share this document and then write something here so that it the post gets enabled and then post it. So to whom are all the students you have selected, to those the documents will be seen. Or else if you want to select to the entire class, you can select the all students and then you can share it. And let's come to this classwork. In this classwork there is an option for creating the assignment, quiz assignment, question, material and reuse. What is this assignment? If you want to provide some assignment to the class or to the particular students, you can write the title over here like division you can write some instructions like how the division has to be done. Like that you can write some instructions. And here there is option for students. So suppose if you want to share it for all the students, or in the same way for particular students this assignment has to be provided, you can select over here, the list of students will get appear. You can select the users whom you want to share this document. And below that there is a grading category. So as we have already created some grade over here, you can select this grade, or you can leave no category as ungraded. You can select it and leave it. And below that there is an option for due date. Suppose if you want to schedule provide a deadline for this assignment to be completed. If it is created on 18th and you need by 19th, just select the date, finished. And here the topic. So create a topic. Suppose if it is since it is a two-digit division, the main topic will be division. So rubrics. Below that rubrics, you can create your own rubrics for this assignment. Uh, you can leave it, no problem from the. Just click on the assign. And there's one more option for create in the assignment. Here in the create, there are five options, that is documents, slides, sheets, drawings, or forms. You can directly create some Google documents. If by clicking this doc, you will be accessing this new document to write something over here, and directly you can post it over the assignment to the students. In the same way, it can be used. Slides also can be presented in the Google Sheets, drawings, and forms. Forms is nothing but you can create it for multiple choice questions. Like that, you can create the forms. And there is one more option for add. The same way in the stream, we added for Google Drive and the link, file, and the YouTube. The link is for the external documents, file which is in your system that can be shared, and the YouTube videos related to this the title or the assignment. You can uh, share the links, and then you can assign over to the particular students. After assigning, the students will receive the mail, and even the parents also receive the mail. By here in the settings, the option will be available once the email IDs has been entered. So in the same way, in the classwork, you can create the quiz assignment also. Questions. Questions are nothing but in this here you can give them some questions, and provide them some time for to write the answers, and submit it as a question and answer or a unit test. You can choose it for this purpose. Here also the same way, to particular student you can assign, or to the whole students, and the graded categories. Like if you want to provide some points to them or whatever it is, you can select it. And there is a due date for this also. By clicking on this, provide them the due date. Within this time the assignment has to be completed. So then ask them. By clicking this, you can. Here also there are three options. One is schedule. Suppose if you want to schedule it for day after tomorrow or tomorrow, so you can schedule it, and tomorrow by 8 a.m. this will going to, by day after tomorrow, this assignment, this question will be seen by the students. Like this, you can schedule the assignments, questions, or materials. Materials are, you can dump the related materials, create your own materials, and you can save it over the drive. You can add so that you can the students can easily access this materials. Suppose if you want or division related worksheets, or division related some documents, or the mm, textbooks, you can directly attach over this material. And here there is an option for Meet, Google Calendar, and Class Drive folders. This Class Drive folder is nothing but a Google Drive folder, which is related to this only for demo. You can dump your all the material or videos. The size will be 15 GB available, so that yeah, the teachers as well as the students will can easily access these files. So this Google Calendar is nothing as we already know that Google Calendar is used for scheduling, and here also you will be able to access this Google Calendar, and you can find the list of meetings over here. And this Meet, by clicking on this, you can directly access the Google Meet. It is integrated with the Google Classroom. By clicking the join now, you will be directly access to the Google Meet current session. Here also the same thing. Number of users will be listed over here. You can add the people. You can present the screen. You can record the session. Everything is similar to the Google. So once the assignment is been assigned, the students will accept it. After accepting, you will be seeing some grades over here. There is an option for correction. That means who are all accepted, who are all resubmitted the assignment. These are all will be seen over the grades. You can write the marks over here, so that you can easily track the students. So these are the basic of class Google Classroom. If you have any doubts, please call Raghu Ramanna or me. Thanks for watching.